fan on the sideline, so we're going to go up. Yeah. What she tell us this morning, you keep eating that greasy food, you're going to be fat and black. It's just like, man, that old lady is so racist, and I wonder where I get it from. Real dog. But we gotta love her though. I am so fucked up off this Molly water. But do you want me to go to the grocery store or not? Because I really do feel like going to get some ground beef and a bag of chips and maybe some nachos.
Yeah, like I said, you were for like 2 hours.
No, I'm serious. I'm not that drunk. I know what I want to eat. I want some nachos.
Yeah, you should totally do that. And be like,
Well, I could, instead of
I know
going
what I want
to the parking lot and getting in the truck, I could just get off on late, go get the shit.
Government Plaza Station.
But
For your safety, please cross the tracks only at the ends of the platform in marked crosswalks.
Yeah, I ain't gonna be hungry after I do all that exercise. Can I get some head tonight?
What is it that is?
I know I fall asleep, but tonight I'm not gonna fall asleep.
What is it, little parlance for a guy outside?
Huh?
Weird.
You don't believe me? You know what I was thinking about last night is, if you feel like I fall asleep when you feel like giving me some head, why don't you just wake me up by sucking my dick? I mean, that would be wonderful.
You're totally going to say that to me one day. You're super totally going to say that to me one day.
But I turn around and say, babe, stop. Well, all I'm saying is this 6 weeks, no sex shit because of the pregnancy is killing me. I'm glad the little nigga here, but I want some pussy from time to time. He's hogging the titties because you're breastfeeding. So he's hogging all the titties, you know what I mean? And then he hogs all the time because he's always asking for the titties.
Conversation that seems for you.
How old is he now? He was like 2 years or something.
I might be dating him.
I can't wait till he get up.
I might just be. I might just like this.
When do you think he's gonna start walking? I hope he start walking around like 8 months.
That's when I started walking.
As soon as he start walking, he can go get a job.
Oh yeah, that's right. I started walking for like 8 months. I was walking around. Yes, I am, because it's the best thing that I've heard in like forever. I am also recording that video being with me so that I can throw it in your face later and be like, oh my god, you love Canadian girls. Because you love Canadian girls. You do. You love this Canadian girl. Cover your chump. Chump.
Give me this head. He says a lot. I just ran Mo Ryan baby mama, right?
I love America.
And she said Mo Ryan right here in the county. And what's so funny is I'm driving on the train is going past the county right now.
Where's the
But she said he in the county for a pistol charge and a terroristic threat charge and a second-degree assault.
Stop is that?
But my nigga just had his 2 little kids.
What?
You know, I told him he had Remy and Rose.
Didn't we just get on?
He had Sapphire. I know. I think that's a nigger name, Remy and Rose.
No, I don't want to get off because of this. I don't want to get off the train because of this. Because it's too good. Better whatever's going on.
Do you want me to come get y'all to ride to the grocery store with me, or do you just want me to go by myself? I mean, I'm not too drunk to ride by myself. But you know, the white people like to pull on my motherfucking black asshole.
Oh, please do.
I mean, if I take the side, I don't want
Downtown East, Metrodome Station.
I'm gonna be honest about it. One, I don't want him to come outside if I can go to the store.
Maybe you just be Isn't this our stop?
Tired or you at work?
Okay, good.
Well, I don't know. I think I should just. I feel like just going to get the truck and then going to one of the grocery stores and get us some nachos. But at the same time, I feel like I want y'all to ride with me since the truck is parked at the parking ride by the house. So I should just come pick y'all up. But we also know that it takes your ass an hour and a half to get ready to come outside.
That sounds like me,
Please allow persons with disabilities and seniors to use designated seats.
Every time you go outside, you feel like it's a fashion show. Like you gotta be dressed to impress to go to the laundry.
Get me wrong.
yeah, that's why it takes so long.
What she say? I'm a mom, bitch ass. And we get dumb for no reason. Okay, well the train is at the Cedar Riverside station. So I don't know. I think that we gonna finish thinking about it, and I feel like I should just go to the. I feel like it's that much gas in the goddamn truck. You got something to do tomorrow? I gotta go do my community service tomorrow for my driver's license. So they won't tow my truck.
I never want to get off the straight, and I want to be a part of my life forever.
Hey, that diaper we changed today stank like a motherfucker. That last diaper before I left the house. We definitely.
Cedar Riverside Station.
Yeah, we can do that.
Look, as long as I feed your ass and keep the roof over your head and don't fuck another bitch, I don't have to change the diaper.
I really hope that you do talk to me like that.
I do
It would make my whole life if you just talk to me like that. Oh, but you don't like me. I forgot. So you won't ever talk to me like that. That guy is the bomb. That guy was the best. You will never talk to me like that because you don't like me. Oh my God.